Hello, beautiful people. Let's go to the highest waterfall in Africa. Our journey started in Abo, a town located in the Volta region, from where we took a taxi to Ho. And from Ho, we took another taxi that took us directly to really where the waterfall is. The journey was so relaxing, the view was breathtaking, and the roads were just perfect. Like you could even feel the breeze of clean air. Wow, this is Ghana.
Hello guys, so today we find ourselves in the waterfall and we are now about to go there, so come with us.
After paying the fee at the entrance, you get to walk, let's say 40 minutes to get to the waterfall. But you can also decide to take the longer route. Guys, Stefan wanted to show you his new house bought not long ago in Wii. The gifted producer. Here we are finally at the waterfall. The view is crazy. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video.
Hi. Ma te sei accorto ora? Soprattutto le extension.
Mi metto un colpo di con un fucile, un colpo di pistola.
So guys, here we are at the end of our trip. We are back and it was a nice experience, and see you in my next video. Bye.
This is the hotel we stayed at. The prices were cool and we also enjoyed our stay. So I recommend this place.
Uno.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. So today we find ourselves at the monkey sanctuary and we are about to see the monkeys, so come with me.
The gifted producer. So we had a tour guide who told us about how the place was established, the type of monkeys they have, and the different spices. Hey, spices, species. But I was so scared, guys, I couldn't even listen to what he was trying to tell us.
Okay, my friend.
No.
My friend is okay. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry, it's okay. You're gonna feel that.
No.
I think everyone was scared that once they have the experience, that's it.
This is enough for me.
But you are going to feed them.
Reach out the gifted producer.
Che strani versi. have names?
We don't have individual names for them. That's just the general name. Instead of her to feed monkeys. Look at her, she's laughing.
Guys, I'm so scared.
After a long and tiring day, I'm just kidding. We just had to feed ourselves with some chicken. So we went to the KFC in Ho, and it was really nice. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.